The 5 best Kodi builds for 2025 have been updated, tested, and are here to revolutionize your streaming experience. Whether you're new to Kodi or a seasoned user looking to upgrade, this guide will walk you through the ultimate builds to get the most out of your favorite movies, TV shows, sports, and more. Plus, stick around to the end for a bonus tip that will keep your Kodi running smoother than ever. Kodi is already one of the best platforms for streaming, but the right build takes it to another level. By using these carefully curated builds, you'll unlock a world of content with minimal effort. Let's dive into what makes these builds the best and how you can make the most of them. What separates the best Kodi builds from the rest? It all boils down to 5 key factors: compatibility, updates, usability, customization, and community support. A top-tier build should work seamlessly with Kodi 21 Omega and earlier versions to ensure stability. Frequent updates keep bugs at bay and ensure all add-ons remain functional. A user-friendly design allows you to navigate effortlessly, while customization options let you personalize the interface to suit your style. Finally, builds backed by a strong community provide reliable support and troubleshooting. Why does this matter? Choosing a subpar build can lead to frustration with crashes, poor performance, or outdated content. But with the right build, you'll have a streamlined and enjoyable streaming experience. Streaming on Kodi without a VPN is like leaving your door wide open. It exposes you to privacy risks and performance issues. A VPN hides your activity from your ISP, prevents throttling, and unlocks geo-restricted content. For example, NordVPN offers fast streaming speeds and access to servers worldwide, making it ideal for Kodi users who want uninterrupted playback. Why use a VPN? Without one, you're risking your privacy and limiting your streaming potential. A VPN ensures you're protected while accessing the full range of content Kodi builds offer. Let's kick off with Diggz Xenon, the most versatile Kodi build of 2025. It's packed with movies, TV shows, live sports, and even retro gaming options, making it a one-stop shop for entertainment. Its intuitive layout ensures easy navigation, and top-tier add-ons like Asgard and Rising Tides deliver premium content. Frequent updates mean you'll always have access to the latest features. Pro tip: pair Diggz Xenon with Real Debris to unlock the best quality streams. Why Diggz Xenon? It's perfect for users who want variety and reliability in one package. To install, copy the URL exactly as shown. If simplicity is what you're after, Nova TV is the build for you. It's lightweight and optimized for older devices, ensuring smooth performance even on limited hardware. Nova TV focuses on delivering quality over quantity, with fewer but highly functional add-ons for live TV and sports. Its minimalist design ensures quick navigation without overwhelming users. Why Nova TV? It's ideal for families, beginners, or anyone using older streaming devices. To install, copy the URL exactly as shown. Green Monster is a must-have for movie enthusiasts. This build organizes content by genre, making it incredibly easy to find what you're looking for. Compatible with a wide range of devices from Android boxes to Chromecast, Green Monster offers flexibility without compromising performance. Pro tip: ensure you're using Kodi 19 or higher to maximize functionality. Why Green Monster? It's like having your own personalized movie library at your fingertips. To install, copy the URL exactly as shown. If you're seeking stability above all, Plutonium is the Kodi build for you. This build excels in providing seamless performance and supports high-quality add-ons for 4K streaming. Plutonium offers content across various categories, including movies, TV shows, sports, and even family-friendly programming. It's perfect for users who value reliable performance over flashy designs. Why Plutonium? It's designed to handle high-demand streaming without sacrificing quality or stability. To install, copy the URL exactly as shown. Designed for high-performance devices, XontriX is the go-to build for power users. With a focus on premium add-ons, this build caters to users with high-end PCs or Android TV boxes. Its sleek interface and fast navigation make finding movies, TV shows, or live sports effortless. Pro tip: pair XontriX with a top-tier VPN like NordVPN for access to geo-restricted content and optimal streaming speeds. Why XontriX? It's the ultimate choice for users who want to push their devices to the limit. To install, copy the URL exactly as shown. Here's the bonus tip to elevate your Kodi experience, the Easy Maintenance Plus tool. This tool is essential for clearing cache, optimizing playback, and backing up your settings. Running this tool weekly keeps your Kodi build running at peak performance, reducing buffering and crashes. Why Easy Maintenance Plus? It's like a tune-up for your streaming setup, ensuring smooth and hassle-free playback. To install, copy the URL exactly as shown. We've covered the 5 best Kodi builds for 2025, Diggz Xenon, Nova TV, Green Monster, Plutonium, and XontriX, and shared tips to enhance your streaming experience. By combining these builds with tools like Easy Maintenance Plus and a reliable VPN, you're set for seamless, secure streaming. Streaming should be fun, not frustrating. With these builds, you'll transform Kodi into the ultimate entertainment hub. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your favorite Kodi build. And if you're new to Kodi, or need a refresher on installing a build, check out the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.